current Chanel collection. I have 5 pieces to discuss, and I'm also going to tell you the prices of each one and when I got them. So if you look hard enough, you can find good deals still on Chanel's. Let's start with the way that I actually got these purchased. Let's put these in order. Here we go. First one was a jumbo red. It's lambskin. All of my 5 pieces are lambskin. This is silver hardware. Got this from a reseller 7 or 8 years ago. 7 or 8 years ago. It's a full meal deal. It came with the box, the cleaning cloth, dust bag, authenticity card. All the stickers are still included on these. Let's see. Well, it's just full meal deal. And I have used this one to death. Love this jumbo. I have it stuffed with a pillow, and this pillow was purchased from AliExpress, very inexpensive. We'll go through these real quick and then I'll tell you the prices. This was purchased from Fashion File. It is a pale pink card or a cosmetic case, I think they call it. I put cards in it. It also came with an authenticity card, and the sticker is down inside in this. Don't remember the year of this one. 24 series. Oh, and by the way, this is a 13 series, and it's 2010. Second purchase was this one, Fashion File, my only reissue. Love this chain. Love, love, love playing with this chain. I've done 4, 5 videos on this bag alone. It is a brown, according to Fashion File, but in my opinion, it's a dark gray. And it also came with the intact sticker, authenticity card, and a dust bag. This is a 227, which is their large in the reissue. It's almost the exact same size as a jumbo. It's just a hair longer. So jumbo, in my opinion, this is a jumbo as well. Then I got this one. I looked since 2015 for this bag. And I know that they're all over the internet. That gold is so heavy. This bag weighs a ton. Now when I carry this one, I've done videos on this letting you know that after you put stuff in here, this bag is heavy, this jumbo. Once I got this one, holy tamale. To me, this is feather light. This is called an XL. It is not the Maxi XL. This is the jumbo size. So it's a 30 centimeter. Gold plated. Absolutely stunning. XL. Gosh, what year was this one? The card. It's a 4 series. Where did I get this one from? Oh, I got this one off of eBay, and it just has a felt insert liner. Now, it's got burgundy down inside here. So that is my only XL, and it took me years to find this one. And the reason it took me so long to find the one that I wanted, it had to have a certain condition. It needed to be either a 2, 3, or 4 series. It had to come with the card, and a lot of these on the pre-sale market, they don't have the card or the sticker still intact. This came with the card. I'm not going to dig all that out for you. This video is about my collection and the prices that I paid for it. Maybe I'll find the video of when I unboxed this and link it down below. And then the one that I just received, this is a medium. It's 9.9, so almost 10 inches across. This is a medium double flap with silver hardware. So the only one that I have that's gold is this very old vintage XL. This one here from Fashion File, this is from 2009. It's a series 13. This is from 2010. It's a series 13. 13 series was for 2 years, 2009 to 2010. This one is from 24. And this one that I just got still has the tag attached to it. I haven't done the review and video on this one quite yet. So I still have the tags sitting here. And this one, oh, it's over here. This one was a 7 series. 7. So 7's going to be, let's see, let's check that out. 4, I know what those are. So 7's going to be a 2000. So this is turning 24 years old this year. 24, very old. Okay, let's get on to the prices of these. And in the order that I received them. Here we go. Okay, jumbo in red. I wrote these down. 3,100. I've had it for 7 years, maybe 8. This was from Fashion File. I got for $350. And I think I've now had this 4 years. This 2009 reissue. Where is it? $2,400 and Fashion File. This one is from eBay, and it went through the authenticity eBay stuff too. So did this one, by the way, came from eBay. This XL in black, $3,050. Now this includes tax and shipping. This is the money that came out of my bank account. $3,100, $350, $2,400, $3,050, and this one that I just received with tax, shipping, everything comes to $2,600 for this medium. So the most expensive one that I have spent money on would be the red Chanel, because it's $3,100 and this one was $3,050. A lot of money sitting here on this table, I know. I use this red one all the time. Also the reissue, these two get used. This one, not so much. And it breaks my heart too, because I waited so long to have this. It is so heavy. I did wear it the first week that I had it, and all I put in it was my phone and my little wallet that had my cards in it, and I didn't want to put anything else in it because of the weight. I mean, this is like 4 or 5 pounds. It's so heavy. But I love this style. I love this jumbo CC that's on here. I like the gold plated. I love the size, the lambskin, the large quilting on here. I love it. And because I was looking for so long to find this, and then when I found one that had all 4 things that I was looking for before I bought one of these XLs, it had everything, and I thought, I gotta do it. I have been looking, every time I see one of these on any resale site, I have looked to see the description and looked down to see, does it have the card? Does it have this? Is it a certain year? And this one had everything. So I went ahead and spent the $3,050 to get this XL black. And then my newest baby that I just received yesterday, or the day before yesterday, is this one in silver. This is a medium double flap with the red interior, or burgundy, I guess you call it. Now, maybe I'll try to find a picture and put it on this video for you guys. So if you see a picture somewhere on the screen, obviously then I did find it. I had a black medium flap gold and a tan beige clair medium flap gold, and also a black trendy CC small in silver. It's hard to find those in silver, I'm telling you. Gold, they're everywhere. But I had that in silver. So 2 medium flaps in gold, and then the small trendy CC in silver. I sold all 3 of those bags and used that money as a down payment for the house that we're in now. We moved across country from Oregon to the state of Tennessee. My husband and I both took early retirement and moved to a state that is less in taxes. Love the house that we're in. As a matter of fact, I'm just in my makeshift office today doing these types of videos because my girly room is getting a makeover, and it'll be a while before I can go back in there and film. So these are my 4 handbags and 1 small leather good. Let's see, what else can I tell you? 30 centimeters is a jumbo, 30 centimeters is this XL. With this is 9.9 for a medium flap. I think that's about 25, I think. I'm not good with centimeters, let's see. Just a hair over 25, so maybe 25.5 centimeters on that one. This one, $30.1 centimeters for this one. And then we know the jumbo is 30. Lambskin, medium flap lambskin, and also the XL lambskin, plus small leather good lambskin. I love lambskin. It's my favorite. Love the leather on lambskin. It's my favorite. Love to touch it. So thanks for watching, you guys. This is my current collection of Chanel handbags plus 1 small leather good. And I will try to find videos on these bags and link them down below if you're curious to get a more in-depth on a certain bag. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.